Car Refresher Course Center. Our expertise comes from experience. This is one of our videos for vertical parking, with step-by-step instructions. At the end of the video, you can find out more about the Parking Online program. Enjoy the video.
Turn on your hazard light to indicate your intention to park.
Position your car about a meter away from the car on the left. Drive forward until your shoulder is about 1.5 car park lot away from the intended lot and stop the car. Before reversing, check left, right, and rear mirror to ensure no vehicle and people are around. Engage reverse gear, then turn the steering wheel full lock to the left. Proceed to reverse. While reversing, consciously check both your left and right mirrors to ensure there are ample distance between your car and the car parked on both left and right side.
Scenario: if you have reversed your car too near to car B on the right side of the lot. Reason is you had turned the steering wheel too late. Stop your car immediately. As car B is behind you, you need to straighten your steering wheel and move the car forward slightly and stop. Turn the steering wheel full lock to the left and reverse slowly.
Check both the left and right mirrors to ensure ample distance between both sides of the car and continue to reverse. After ensuring both sides have ample distance, look in front and continue to reverse until the front bonnet is parallel. Once the front bonnet is parallel, stop the car, straighten the wheels and continue to reverse until your side mirror is aligned to the side mirror of the car next to you.
Do you wish to learn parking online? How about learning how to park vertical parking with other methods? How to park parallel parking from the left or right directions? How to adjust if your vehicle is parked too close to the left? How to do corrections when you cannot park your vehicle one time in? Where and when to position your vehicle before you park, and much more. Now you can relax at home and learn how to park your vehicle online. Click on the links or videos below to find out more.